Hello everyone. Welcome to live. And today here um, we are starting with our first session, that is with the dietitian, um, well-known dietitian Ushma Cheda. So let's connect with her for some guidance. Ushma, are you there? Hello. I guess she's again. Hello, hello. Hello everyone. Just waiting for the dietitian. Ushma, where are you? So how's your COVID-19 is going on? Good, good. I have to check where is. Any change during this COVID-19, everyone? Hello. Hi, Ushma.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
All good, all good.
So how's COVID-19 going on?
Yeah, I'm happy to stay home, work from home. Got
Good,
used to
good.
it.
Good, very good. So, see, today I asked you because there are some questions of the people for the some guidance from for the diet. Okay, so here are some questions that I have for you.
Sure.
Like being quarantined, we start consuming more food and especially fried and baked food more. Nowadays so much of status we see.
Yeah, yeah.
So how to how to maintain our health and eating habits during this time?
So, it's no harm trying different recipes because this is once in a lifetime thing where we get to sit at home and try different things. It's just that our portion size needs to go down and we should not be eating large meals. So, for example, if I've baked a cake today, I will not have it with my dinner. I can have it as my evening snack, like a small portion.
Okay.
And anyways, we are baking, anyways, we are cooking, we are doing a lot of things. So why not try some things which are more healthier? Like there is a very nice banana cake which is available online, which is going viral. So those kind
Good.
of things also you can try. I have also come
So
across
that
jawar
recipe.
noodles.
Okay.
Yeah, so there are a lot of other
Nice.
things. So we should have an eye for it.
Okay, okay, good.
So
So that
cooking
is
is there,
available in
trying out
your.
new things is there, but you have to try to find something healthier.
Okay, so that is available, that recipes with you?
I will be soon posting the jawar noodles recipe.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, good. And the second one is like stress and lockdown disturb the routine. So how to deal with this being at home? Anything?
I very much agree to this. First of all, the hope is extending nowadays. We thought that 18th May will be the thing. Again, it's extended. So it's better to hope for the worst so that you don't get
Right,
disheartened. At the same time,
right,
we don't have to change our routines. The change of routine of all the people is creating too much of turmoil right now. People are sleeping at 1:32, getting up at
right,
9:30,
right,
10.
right.
So what is happening is that they are out of a routine. When you're out of routine for a long time, it is depressing. So try to get back to
Yes.
the routine of the earlier life so that everything goes very well.
Right, right, right. So late night snack, something is available?
Yeah, so late night snack is something which everybody is really ruining it out.
Okay.
So ice creams are not for late night. Late night, there are a lot of things. You can also keep on drinking different liquids in the night. And I would suggest everybody to do intermittent fasting right now. It is really
Okay.
helping. You can enjoy your food at the same time. What you can do is not put on. So
Right,
that
right, right.
16-hour fasting is really helping. You don't have to do too much of calculations. You don't have to think too much. Just stick to 16 hours. So 8 hours of eating period and 16 hours of fasting.
Right, good, good. Nice. And any other guidelines to what else to eat
See, one
in
thing
a
you have to
daytime also?
remember that when you are putting on weight, you are also ruining your immunity. Okay, the organs are getting too much stress because of that. Your sleep pattern. It's not only on food which will be take your immunity will depend on. Your sleep pattern will also be very important. Your pranayams are very important this time. So you have to make a routine which has your exercise, your pranayam, your right sleep pattern, as well as the food. So what is going to happen is after the lockdown, a lot of people are going to get out and the relapse might happen. So for we have to be prepared right now for the relapse.
Right, right, right.
The numbers are going to increase twofold, threefold, and that time it's the herd immunity which is going to work. So
Exactly.
right now, make your immunity very strong. Keep on having lot of herbs. India is being gifted. We are gifted with lot of herbs which improves immunity.
Right,
Day
right,
in, day
right.
out, keep on putting herbs into everyday things. Like a coffee also, you can add little cappuccino, little cinnamon to it.
Okay.
So that flavor is also there. For your desserts and all also add little cinnamon, add little ginger powder. Those kind of things will improve your immunity indirectly as well.
Okay, okay. That's one coffee very famous in lockdown.
So
Dalgona
that is
coffee.
just
Is
a
it
viral
healthy?
thing. Yeah, that's a Dalgona coffee. It's nowhere related to immunity. It is just a new form of having
Okay.
it. We used to have it always. It's
Okay.
just viral right
Okay.
now. It's going really viral.
Okay. And last thing is like anything for kids during this time?
Kids are suffering most, I would suggest. I mean,
Yes, yes.
they are suffering from boredom. They are suffering from out of routine. And now what is happening is parents are sick and tired of cooking. Parents are sick and tired of doing household chores. So what happens when the
Yes,
kids
yes,
are
yes.
asking for the junk food? They're just giving the packaged food.
Exactly. Right,
So
right,
when they're
right.
giving the packaged foods, what is happening? They are getting ready for childhood obesity. Also, their
Mm-hmm.
concentration is going. They are what is happening is when their online classes are going on. See, schools are not going to be open even after the lockdown. It's going to go far. So this is a new kind of a life which they have developed. So we have to work on it. There are a lot of online videos available for their yoga as well, for their workouts. Develop a routine of theirs for sure.
Yeah, they are
Explain to
full of
them.
energy actually. Even my daughter full of energy after doing yoga, after doing all the exercises. She's like, Mama, I am more hungry. I want something to eat.
So it is your duty
And
to
then,
give them food, but you know what you have to do is
yeah,
to give them complex foods.
okay.
So now something like oats chilla or oats upma doesn't take time.
Right. Ah, I give that only.
So fast food, which is easy for us to cook, do that. Upma is there, upma, poha, uh, also the chana, boiled pulses. These are some things which
Right,
you should
right,
be
right.
giving them. Your routine और your cooking style should be morning में जब भी दाल चावल का कुकर लगाते हो वो भी साथ में हो जाएगा आपका. तो आपके
Right,
सर पे
right,
ज्यादा
right.
काम लगेगा नहीं. Their
Right,
evening
right,
snack
right.
is ready for them.
Right, right, right.
And try to involve them in cooking. So they are also interested as to what is happening. Explain to them that see this is something which is really healthy. So they will also start thinking like that. It's not that they are looking for junk food; they are looking for tasty food.
Yes, exactly.
Now, all junk is not tasty, and all healthy is not untasty. So
Right,
you
right,
have
right.
to involve them and also make them conscious about how they are eating, what they are eating. It will not be so much of a trouble then.
Right, right, right. It's good.
Yeah.
And they
How old
are
is your
actually,
child?
I mean, 4 years now, the elder one.
Okay. Okay.
The younger one is still 2, 1.
Nice. So you had lost 30 kgs, Upasna, when? First child or second child?
Second child.
Wow.
I
But then
gained
that,
I gained during the first one and lost during the second one.
but then you had done a
And
triple,
very much thanks to you that you guided me for that.
but a commendable
Literally
job.
miss those days right now in quarantine because I'm trying still to be in that diet part. But again, some days I miss out because they wake me up till 3, 4 a.m.
Oh.
So
But that is a very good journey. You should keep that post on your page, you know. It will really be
yeah,
inspiring to a lot of people. We
sure, sure.
couldn't
Thank you
recognize
so
you
much
at
for
all
yours
getting into the
guidance.
picture.
And may hope we stay connected in
Sure.
future also with some more you can guide us for some more recipes and all.
No, I am coming up with a child special package, child nutrition, where we are going to look for tasty recipes as well as we're going to have tutorials involving them. So we are
Okay,
going to
okay,
do a
okay,
webinar kind of a thing where all children are also involved. And
okay.
when they are involved, you know what happens? Their interest in that particular recipe becomes all the more.
Yes.
And they will not create a fuss. In fact, I next live of mine is going to be with a 8-year-old child. Can you believe it?
Wow.
Yeah, she
Nice.
has sent me a list of questions where I'm supposed to answer her on live, and the school principal, Jamnabai school principal, is also going to be covering it because she's very
Okay,
excited.
great.
I mean, I'm so happy that 8-year-old child is not only a foodie but is also equally feeling responsible and is quite aware of the
Exactly.
foods, junk food, healthy food. So it's
Right,
really
right,
good.
right. Right, right, right. Good, good. Very nice. And any guidance for the just delivered ladies like me?
So right now, just delivered ladies have to see that their core workout is there. That is the time. This is the
Yeah.
time when it will become again back to normal. So first thing is that, and now you're not, you know, feeding the child. So your appetite has to go back to normal, and that would go gradually. You have to go step by step decreasing your appetite. So then
Yeah.
it is just enough for you. You don't have to eat more.
Right, right, right. I'm actually trying my best to maintain the routine as well as the workouts, the yoga sessions, whatever I do, I started sharing now because I don't get time later on to set those things.
Right.
So good, and I'll learn more from you.
Always, always. I'm always there to help you. Don't worry. 30
Okay, so
kgs.
thank
Now,
you so
Upasna,
much.
what is your next target? After 30 kgs, how many kgs more?
Now, like during this pregnancy, I gained a little 7, 8 more. So I want to be back into my shape soon.
Nice. Good, good.
So, thank you
Sure.
so
All the
much.
best. My pleasure.
Yeah, yeah. See you
Bye.
then. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, everybody, for joining us.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
And thank you, Ushma, also.
My
And we'll be
pleasure.
back with some other person very soon
Sure.
for some guidance in this COVID period. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.